whatever they want to criticize here. We're the
DTIL.
economics channel. Like, we cover economics. Like, if you want somebody that actually knows what they're talking about with economics, subscribe. All right?
MSTZ.
You guys know my track record here. I'm not going to claim I'm the greatest economist of all
MSTZ.
time ever in the world, but I could be argued to be top 3 greatest ever in the world right now. We're just right. All right, listen, we're just right a lot about the economy. I told you guys how the market will react to this.
SMST.
We were right.
CGBS.
So you're welcome. Top 3 most right trader of all time ever in the world right now. Definitely top 3 worst trader of all time ever in the world right now. And cheers to you guys. I appreciate the love. Thanks so much.
VMAR.
Let's see what the market does now. We're down a lot. We're at 2100
VMAR.
on the NASDAQ here, right around 2100. It's probably a big psychological level too. But
AREV.
we have broken down some. I'm going to draw a line here. I'm also going to put another one at 2100 support level there. We're also going to go back to the last
AREV. 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 VRMA. AREV. VRMA. VRMA. AREV. VRMA. 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 Book. VRMA. VRMA. VRMA.
GRYP, GRYP, GRYP.
VRMA.
GRYP, GRYP,
VRMA.
GRYP.
VRMA. VRMA.
CPZ.
VRMA.
GRYP, GRYP.
VRMA. VRMA.
CDZI. Shot.
ZVSA. Hollow. TSLZ. Bear.
CDZI.
XHG. Bear. XHG. DTIL. LAES. QSI. XHG. XHG. DATS.
GRYP.
Shares continue to pop here.
DATS.
65 cents now off of their press release.
WDH.
DATS.
Company signed an agreement for natural gas energy.
BKYI.
That's Golf Romeo Yankee Papa.
AAL. LAES.
WDH.
AAL.
S&P futures bouncing off the lows now, 59.09.
TSLQ. XHG. XHG.
GRYP. ATOS.
XHG. 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 DATS.
Indo. Missed.
XHG.
NVDA.
XHG.
XHG. XHG.
XHG. XHG. XHG. XHG.
XHG. XHG.
XHG.
XHG.
XHG. XHG. AAL. TZA. ZVSA. Bear. REKR. AREB. 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 ZVSA. ZVSA. ZVSA.
Indo. Indo. Indo.
DATS. REKR. AKYA.
Indo.
VRMA. REKR.
Indo.
VMAR. VMAR. TPET.
ONMT. Indo. ONMT.
TPET. XHG. XHG.
ONMT. ONMT. GRYP.
SLB.
GRYP.
XHG. DTIL.
GRYP.
ZVSA. VMAR. VMAR. ZVSA. DTIL. VMAR. VRMA. XHG.
OCS.
SPXU. AKYA. VMAR. AKYA. AKYA. XHG.
PANL.
REKR. XHG. XHG. ZVSA. HOF. HOF.
Indo. Indo. Indo.
XHG,
Indo,
VMAR, XHG,
Indo,
XHG,
Indo,
DTIL, XHG, XHG,
Indo,
XHG,
Indo,
XHG, XHG,
Indo, Indo,
Indo, Love, TPET, WBA, DATS, VMAR, TPET, KABL, KABL,
Maya,
XHG, 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 DATS,
XHG,
XHG, KABL, TPET, CGBS, LAES, CGBS, XHG, XHG,
XHG, XHG,
XHG,
Benzinga market update. S&P futures down 52. The Dow futures down 309.
XHG,
Nasdaq is down 225. Crude is up $3.03 now at $76.95.
XHG,
Natural gas is up 19 cents at $3.89. Gold up 17.70 at 27.
XHG,
0860.
XHG.
Bitcoin
Indo.
futures up 21.55 at 94,295.
Indo.
XHG.
Indo.
INDO, Indonesia Energy, popping to the highs now. $3.44. India November Delta Oscar.
XHG.
SYNX.
VMAR.
SYNX. XHG.
XHG.
SYNX. Silinx comments
XHG.
estimates record revenue
PRZO.
annually of about $9.2 million in 2024. That's Sandy Yankee November X-ray.
XHG.
XHG. NCPH.
XHG. FUBO. FUBO.
FUBO shares spiking here now to the highs, $5.75, up 40
XHG.
cents at the high. Foxtrot Uniform Bravo Oscar. RVPH getting an initiation with a
XHG.
buy and $7 price target at Roth. Also getting an
XHG.
upgrade at
XHG.
Maxim to a buy and $7 target. That's RVPH.
XHG.
XHG.
FUBO.
FUBO. FUBO.
FUBO.
FUBO. FUBO. FUBO.
FUBO. IINN. XHG. XHG.
PRZO. PRZO.
PRZO, PRZO Technologies, popping here to the high, $2.22. Papa Romeo Zulu Oscar.
LAES. AAL. MBST.
PRZO.
MBST. PRZO.
PRZO. PRZO. PRZO. PRZO.
PRZO.
PRZO. PRZO.
PRZO. PRZO.
PRZO.
Sana.
PRZO.
ParaZero.
PRZO.
Shares hitting $2.44
Sana.
PRZO.
after the company
PRZO.
the approval for marketing of the Defender counter drone solution. That's PRZO.
AKYA. AKYA. VRMA. VRME. KABL. TZA. TZA. FUBO. ZBSA.
XPO, renews partnership
TSLZ.
with TAT, X-Ray Papa Oscar.
ZBSA.
NVDA, NVIDIA announcing blueprint for AI retail shopping assistance. That's November Victor Delta Alpha, NVDA.
TPET. Sana.
Sana.
KABL. KABL.
MSI, Motorola Solutions to acquire Theatro, maker of AI and voice-powered communications and digital workflow software for frontline workers. That's Michael Sandy, India.
KABL. DTSS.
GSHD, Goosehead Insurance,
Sana.
retired $93 million in term loan and pays special dividend.
TPET.
Off Sandy Hotel
FUBO.
Delta, GSHD.
XHG. PRZO. USO. XHG. XHG.
SPI.
XHG. XHG.
SPI. SPI. SPI.
XHG.
ACCD.
XHG. XHG.
SPI. SPI.
SPI.
SPI. SPI. SPI.
FUBO. SPI. PRZO. LAES. LAES. XHG. 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 XHG.
XHG.
XHG.
XHG.
XHG.
XHG. Fro.
UVIX.
XHG.
XHG.
XHG. XHG.
XHG. XHG.
Is PI. I'm sure. Phil.
Your future is at your fingertips. Take advantage of the flexibility.
DTIL's been moving up.
Yep, see that too. Took my money earlier.
Calculate. We enter into new seasons, into new. Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping. Good morning, happy Friday. To the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got
Good morning.
made lots of mistakes.
Good morning.
VMAR.
John.
DTIL.
Yeah, just trying to wake up here.
Says the company's reinsurance program provides $1.29 billion of limits on a per occurrence basis after covered catastrophe losses exceeded the company's retention of $150 million. That's regarding the wildfire in California. That's Michael Charlie Yankee.
XHG. XHG.
6 a.m. and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right.
That's good.
That's my only friend. No light.
LAES.
Coming up on the horizon.
DTSS.
Track of time. Yeah, move fast and climb. A new class divine. Yeah, true.
Oh, man.
XHG.
DTIL. Let's check it
Bear.
Echo.
Bear.
Echo.
out. Ripping
Bear.
as we speak. Kinda.
Bear.
Echo.
XHG.
SPI and NG pulling back
LAES.
now, hit a high of 80 cents, now at 59 cents regarding the settlement agreement
VMAR.
with Sinsin, that's Sandy Pampa, India.
XHG. XHG.
So I gave it some time to break out there.
MCY.
Didn't break out,
MCY
so
on that
I
wildfire
jumped
news share
right
spiking
back
here
in.
now. 52.99, still trading down sharply.
Second one, VMAR.
From
It's a
Wednesday's
$2
close,
stock.
but right
feel
now
like we
getting a
just
big
traded that
bounce here
one.
following that press
It's
release.
way below
MCY.
So that one's a little. Like I'm coming into a Friday. My expectations, especially after a day off, are a little bit subdued.
XHG.
Of course,
XHG.
it doesn't mean
XHG.
there's no money to
XHG.
be made. I'm sort of thinking and also hoping it's just a slower day. We'll see.
FUBO.
There'll always be opportunity. I think detail will be definitely one
DTIL.
we'll be trading, especially with it being one of the leading gap
VMAR.
gaps. Interesting dip there. Dips to 43, comes back.
MVST.
MCY hit a low of
70.
34.80 earlier, now $54.
XHG 4
MCY.
million float. Okay.
MCY.
Is that correct? Is everybody on page with that?
DTIL.
54.56 now on MCY, continuing to
Let's look. There
Top
was a
here.
split.
SLE.
There was a recent split.
on that press release regarding
One
their
for 20.
insurance
Uh,
for the California wildfires.
reverse split. So that would make sense that the float is
Sun up.
well, we can do 97 divided by 20. What does that give us? 4.85.
QBTS.
That makes sense.
XCUR. XCUR.
QBTS.
You take the
WBA.
reverse split of 1 for 20 or 20 for 1.
OPTT.
Dude, there's so many little gnats, bro. I have these like house plants, and it's like a breeding ground for freaking malaria.
MCY. MCY.
VMAR. DTIL.
MCY.
DTIL. 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 DTIL.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
EONR.
It sounded like there was a baby crying. Okay, you know what's ripping? This one. What the frick?
XHG.
As soon as I get in, I don't get any profit.
SMST. EONR.
Huh.
DTIL.
I must just suck at trading.
DTIL.
Okay, so let's put this one in detail. What's the news on this?
DTIL.
The
DTIL,
news
Precision
is
Bioscience, popping here again. $7.01, Delta Tango India Lima.
outperform. New price target. This is another reverse split stock. Looks like we have room up to 817, which we already got close
MCY.
to.
WBA.
Frickin'. Come on.
DTIL.
Scallywags. Gosh darn scallywag.
DTIL.
I don't even know what they are. Little plant flies. I need some kind of insecticide. Spray on my plants. What the frick?
BWLB.
DTIL.
Dude, they're accumulating at the bottom of my
XHG.
screen because there must be cold. So I'm taking a napkin, I'm wiping it down. Over there, I got my house plant. There's 1,000 over there.
DTIL.
There's 1 million of these little buggers over there. So I have my Dawn dish soap, and I'm shooting them. Shooting them with that.
TMDX Transmedics shares selling off here, down about
Kind of like this
$6.50
entry, but knowing my luck, it's going to
at
fail because I
65.80.
don't know. I haven't
Negative
really been
report
connecting
being
to market
circulated
in a
by
while.
traders. That's Tango Michael Delta
SNY.
X-ray.
LAES. QSI.
There we go.
VMAR.
Taking that $100. That'll pay for the Starbucks.
ALLR.
So good morning, Tom, BZ, D-Sign, Trading Pennies, Eric. You've been out for a while. Well, now you're back. That's good. John, good morning. Skull. Geno Cyber.
OPTT.
Well, you know, it's a Friday. It's a Friday
Follow.
after kind of a weird holiday break. Scallywag. So again, first 2 to 3 minutes of the day, don't go crazy. Try, take trades, try to get in rhythm, but position yourself for a full day of trading rather than risking it all in the first 2 to 3 minutes. I mean, a lot of money can be
DTIL.
made,
DXLG.
but a lot of money can be lost. And so when it's kind of like one of those like hit or miss, I see that with some traders. It's like the first 5 minutes,
DTIL.
defines their day. And it's like,
LITM.
it shouldn't be that way.
EONR.
They either make a big win at the start of the day or they take a big loss.
EONR.
And so how do you control that? You control that with your share sizing. You control the size of your losses with your share sizing. Where's the gap scanner? I'm an idiot. I gotta get the gap scanner up for you guys. Here we go. Sorry. 37 likes, 270 concurrents.
DTIL.
Wow. Pretty light crowd today. Guessing most people slept in.
EONR. Hollow. XHG.
Ticker
Hollow.
symbol ZVSA.
HOF.
It's a 40% gap, $1.66 price. Float's $1 million.
IONQ.
Check out the float on VMAR. 73,000.
XHG.
That might be one of the lowest floats I've ever seen, if that is correct.
XHG.
XCUR.
We even got Holo.
XHG.
So we have options. The gap scanner's not dead. So of course, for detail, the target is to pre-market high. We're already curling
VMAR.
in that direction, so that's looking hopeful. And then after that, it's the 817 break, which isn't far after the pre-market high break. So I feel pretty good about detail being
RZLV
VMAR.
should be partnering with
again,
Resolve AI, RZLV, to transform its
USO.
online
we'll see
shopping
how it
experience through
CGBS.
how
the
it
adoption of
performs at the open.
Brain Commerce Solution. That's Romeo Zulu Lima Victor.
XHG.
Come on.
CGBS.
I just want the sun to rise, because when the sun rises, all them scallywag flies will
IBCP raising its
VMAR.
quarterly
To the
dividend by
window.
8%. India Bravo
go.
Charlie
Until
Papa.
then, my 30-inch Apple Display LCD is producing. These things produce a lot of heat. These flies just love it. Either that, or they're trying to sign up for the Trading Farmer course. They're so eager, they're trying to just go right in here.
EONR.
There you go. Oops, sorry.
CGBS.
XHG. XHG, I'm getting a float of 97 million. Someone said it's a 4 million, which makes sense. Sometimes this software is off. So if we could get some more people confirming what they're seeing. We did have a recent 20 for 1 or 1 for 20 reverse split. Which,
come on, break
if you divide the
189.
float,
Break
97 by
189.
20, you get about 4.85. So is that about where the float is according to you guys?
LITM. XHG.
Lost a penny there.
Wah, wah.
XHG.
Web searcher says 215K float.
XHG.
Wow. So we're all over
Not
the place.
liking it, the MACD cross.
I skipped over Lobo because when you look at the volume,
Which
like
one?
everything's good on it
XHG?
except for the volume here is 10. So we
Yeah, that
skipped
was
over
coming
Lobo.
down.
We skipped over
VMAR.
MVST because the
Yeah, if we don't hold
XHG
688, 690-ish,
I was gonna skip
we're
over,
done for this
but-
one.
Sana.
We
Not
need to
anymore.
break through that
So
level.
56 likes already,
VMAR.
guys. God bless, God bless.
NWTN.
Hallelujah, hallelujah. We are
LAES.
here
CGBS,
today
might be
trading
curling
low
up.
float tickers.
Ticker
Ticker symbol DTIL will be of the main focus. Run to 807
I'm pretty, dude.
and no less.
I don't know.
LAES.
Worth 2 in the book.
Where's Christina?
DTI.
Where's Christina?
She went to New
boom,
Jersey.
boom, boom.
Beer.
No.
Boom,
Yesterday.
bow.
Oh, yeah,
she's on a plane.
You go.
Boom,
Sure.
CGBS.
She's gonna go visit Artie.
Let's go.
Market high for a view.
Land, stock party, land party.
Let's go.
Share float, which is probably the smallest I've ever seen.
CGBS
Almost.
almost at
You go.
96.
If it is correct,
Might go to $1 today, who knows?
that's very small.
Where's Michael? Is Michael here?
As far as the chart
Michael.
pattern,
Nope, not here.
No, it's
it's
not there.
not the prettiest.
He's
Why?
testing something out.
VWAP
I gave him some
is up at
tips.
292.
Anybody
This
see
thing
any
fell
news on
way
XHG?
far ahead, or way below it.
No, sir.
Nah.
And it's losing volume.
I mean, from the other
So,
day, maybe.
In this case,
Somebody was saying
the
that earlier.
target would be the curl to
Yeah, it was
you know,
maybe the
so
8th or the
detailed
7th.
target curled to pre-market. This one, the target would be curl to
IONQ.
VWAP. And then if it does pull back and shoots through it, we could see something like this.
VMAR.
We could. We don't know.
LITM.
That's VMAR.
OPTT.
One of these got to take off.
XHG.
Yes, sir.
CGBS 97
So I'm
now.
possibly looking for a pre-market.
LITM.
Since
Sana.
Which one?
Don't look so good. I think detail might be better.
CGBS.
Oh yeah, I see it. Oh wow,
Sana.
it went up again.
I think might go break $1, David. It keep going.
Brea.
I'm gonna get something to eat real quick.
Yeah, I gave all my greens for this year back, and I got back a little bit.
Just gonna take the profit. Got about $80 out of that.
Sana.
Looking back over at detail.
Sana.
Puts me up about $173 pre-market.
Sana.
Not bad.
Sana.
Sana.
The kind of stuff I'm on, you wouldn't understand.
XHG.
DTIL is either about to push or collapse.
Shoot, screw you, XHG. Sold out way too soon. Way too soon. Screw
It's hovering
you.
right over there.
VMAR.
I'm gonna try to go for a dip. May not get one.
What's it gonna do?
RVPH. VMAR.
Are you kidding me?
VMAR.
Wow. Wow, 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 wow.
CGBS.
Wow. There we go. This would, I want this to run to 85.
Keep an eye on PRZO as well.
Oh, here we go. XHG.
There it
Let's
goes.
go. Come on, break
I
it.
saw the algo spike to 85.
We need a hold. What's the level? Hold up,
I
hold up,
didn't
hold
see it on
up.
the
We need a
price
hold.
line.
We need a hold. We need a hold.
I
One
had
sec.
the corner of
180.
my eye on the chart, and I saw the algo spike to 85.
Farmer just bid it on it,
So I
that's
was like,
why.
that's my cue. Target was 85.
Yeah, we need a hold 180.
Printed 191.
He's trading that one.
Saw that.
XHG.
Yeah.
Let me buy 500,000 of it. Hold up.
Go now. Go, Mazza, go.
There you go. See?
Sell it.
Not yet.
Okay, not yet. Hold it. All right,
Here we
now.
go.
Now.
Here we go. A quarter.
Oh,
Another
dude,
quarter.
you could have made $1 million right there. $1 million.
XHG.
Hold up. 50,000 still. Hold up.
Oh.
Close it. Let's go. Bye, guys. See you, suckers.
Yeah.
I'm back.
Go to the Caribbean tonight.
Let's get it, scallywags.
Dude, my prediction was on point. Shoo. Wah. Are we gonna hold $2? Let's see.
Let's see if Farmer puts in another.
Just a little bit.
We might come down to 185-ish.
Yeah, I was too scared to punch it.
Hopefully not.
XHG.
Pullback right there.
There it goes. Shoo.
XHG.
Under 5 minutes, guys.
Yep. Change it, yeah.
Almost at 7, I think.
Getting real angry with
XHG.
Now it's really is too extended. I missed DTL. This one.
Right now I might hit that 180.
Just pop up.
I'll wait for a dip.
Finally, we got a mover.
I know, right?
No doubt about it, boys.
Yes.
Ah, shoot.
Yeah,
I said I was waiting for
bro.
a dip and I didn't.
I mean, Scullywag.
Scallywag. Time for some Overwatch again.
XHG.
No.
Shoot.
XHG. XHG.
I gotta cut it.
I need to get it around in today at some point. Some Overwatch.
XHG.
Frick.
You need a what?
Could have made like $1 million in XHG.
Get around in it and some
I
Overwatch
would've bought
later,
the
I
dip
hope.
on detail.
Shoo. Now we need to play Hot Wheels, dude. Hot Wheels.
Hot Wheels.
Which there was
Multiplayer.
potential for it to
Yes,
continue,
sir. Let me
but
download it.
It's totally ridiculous trade, but pretty close. Drops down to
See?
84 back up.
185, 186. Around there. We need to come down.
Right there.
XHG.
But it's close to the open, so it might do a 3-bar pullback on this one.
Yeah, it might dump.
Yeah.
Yeah, if we hold 186-ish, 185-ish, we'll be good.
But on the 15, we got 4 straight green candles.
PRZO.
Wah, wah.
XHG.
This one being the tallest.
XHG.
But as soon as I get out, it goes. This is just the most scallywag thing I've ever.
DTIL.
What is it? Don't forget to claim your free game on Steam. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. 195.
A little bit there on XHG.
New support 195.
Big spread. ZVSA.
Puts me up $1,000.
Did y'all get the information from the jobs report?
Not happy about detail. Lost money.
Who
there.
cares?
The jobs report beat expectations, like blew it out of the water actually, which is bad for
Now, all of a
interest
sudden, all
rates.
the
They're saying
hyperscalers
that
will be
there's
trading pre-market.
not expecting a rate cut
Son of
until
a heck,
October, which means 10 months without a rate cut,
You know, in
which is
all
bad
honesty,
for
the
small
pre-market's
caps.
at
The reason that we started getting this,
I mean, it's
reason
fine.
we started getting this little pump in small
just a
caps
little bit of a
recently is
different
because of
style.
rate cuts,
LAES.
which is in favor of small caps.
Dog,
Interest rates is only good for the large cap.
John, how's the family? That's good.
MRT. CHSN. CHSN.
2 minutes to the
CHSN.
bellio.
There we go.
MRT.
CHSN.
What did I get? Dude, where is my message center? Here it is. Okay, that will be my last trade pre-market. I don't know if I even got profit.
LAES.
I got a little bit of profit, maybe $20.
XHG.
Okay, we got 1 minute to the bell. I gotta quickly look at the daily charts on these sons of
XHG.
what's these sons of you know what.
We got levels.
We got levels at 309.
XHG.
Clear
XTIN.
drawing set very quickly here.
XHG.
Pre-market high is up here.
OPFI. OPFI. OPFI.
3, of course.
There it
307
is. It's,
roughly
TRMT.
is kind of some levels here. Minute to the bell.
OPFI.
Okay. Let's get some colors on here. I like me some colors. So anyways,
OPFI.
first 2 to 3 minutes of the day, don't be a hero. Smaller size, but trade.
Don't
Try to
forget
get
to
some
change
money.
your tips.
Try to build that cushion. As they like.
40 seconds.
Yeah, the fires in California.
MVST.
Good morning,
TMD.
Mike. And is Blair
TRMD.
even?
Anybody gonna bless
Blair
me trading?
is real close to
All
them.
right, Lord, thank you for our daily bread. Lead us not
Wow.
into temptations.
DTIL.
Allow us not to
Oh, this
chase
is here.
losing kickers.
VMAR.
I'm gonna take your money, guys.
XHG.
Not if I take your
Money,
first.
money.
Doesn't look that great. So probably not going to be much
Fair.
money on VMAR. I'll just say.
Money, money,
Green
money.
guys.
Good.
Good luck.
And wait for your setup.
DTIL.
CGBS,
Trying to
some
push
scallywag
7.
said.
DTIL.
Hold the view
Yeah,
up.
I'm thinking it's a no.
PLTR.
ZVSA
DTIL.
is okay.
BBCP.
We have no more time.
East.
Right out of time. Go into detail.
DTIL.
USEG.
Whoa.
DTIL.
Dang, DTI.
There it is. Come on, baby.
Silo.
Thinkorswim's
level 2 is messed up.
Ladder is lagging too much. See that?
Come on, baby. We need to break
Showing the prices
719.
down at
We break 719 in DTIL, we're gonna rip.
And so that sucks. That sucks.
HMY.
Yep, there it is.
Now we need to hold it.
XHG.
I don't know. Shaky, shaky.
DTIL.
Yep, shaking. Careful.
E.
That sucks. I could not catch any of that.
Bear.
I saw
Ooh.
the 5 minute setup pre-market. But... yeah, you know,
That
it's
was
okay.
ugly.
We're not going to be able to catch always the.
Bear.
Let's go to ZH.
AERG, AIMD.
Ah,
Here it is.
Lost.
XTIA.
Lost like $300 right there. Things are laggy. I'm getting a lot of lag.
XHG is
Getting
pushing
a
up.
lot of lag this morning, so that's okay.
More?
AIMD.
Yeah, it's coming down.
I'm up $800 already.
AIMD.
QVTS.
AIMD. AIMD.
ARTW.
You guys having with the D not streaming today?
XHG.
ASC.
LAPS. CRNC. LAES. VAR. DL. AKYA.
U.S. markets are open.
AKYA. BTDR. JORNC.
There we go. Here's
HIMS.
DTIL.
AKYA. XHG. VMAR.
DTIL.
MRH. HIMS. LASA.
Getting
DTIL.
this morning.
DTIL.
DTIL.
CRNW.
Just
AKYA.
XHG.
XHG.
Quite a big a lag, and plus some shake. VMAR coming back to VWAP. Yeah, tensions.
XHG.
Let's try VMAR.
Dow Jones Industrial Average down 209.65 points after the open.
I probably shouldn't have sold out there. VMAR.
Nasdaq down 174.29.
There's so many things moving right now. It's
VMAR. Silo. VMAR.
Detail.
Silo.
I'm sort of waiting for the orders to smooth out a tad. Got green there in detail.
Silo.
Takes
Sun
me
up.
back to about 1,000 on the day. So we got to kind of wait until we get one stock that really shows us.
Silo.
I'm not so
XHG.
sure about VMAR, guys. Honestly, that looks like a danger zone. XHG.
Yeah, we need to break to 725 now on DTIL.
Silo. Huff.
Oh, here we go. Come on, 24. Nope. Here we go. Nice. Come on.
Silo.
Now push. Push.
Huff.
What? Dude,
Push, baby,
detail
push.
Screwed
No.
me. I don't know.
TPET.
Detail's got some weird drops going on here. So you've been warned on that one.
Huff. Huff.
VMAR.
MVST.
Dude, look at the day. 25% the top gainer. Sheesh,
CBSA.
fuck that.
I gotta get out of there. That's too bad.
OPTT.
DTIL is gonna flush now. Oh, no.
Ah, that's too bad as
ZVSA.
well.
XHG.
XHD is blushing.
CGBS.
B-Mark, I think it wants to
VRME.
go. I don't know.
Nice little break
VRME.
there. VMAR. Now we didn't get the extended
MVST.
rip as I wanted, but
VRME.
it's holding up here.
Whack-a-moo.
VRME.
VRME. VRME.
Oh, yeah, that thing is going.
Nice.
Oh, okay. Why is that?
I think it had news this morning.
So I don't know what the
ZVSA.
D is not streaming.
Yesterday or the other day.
DTIL.
Yeah, okay, that's what it was.
Yeah, 350 was the high.
DTIL. VMAR.
They're already gonna go to the halt. There.
ZVSA.
Oh, shit.
Which one?
Look at that.
Shoot.
The RME is
VMAR.
271 halt up.
258 for me.
TLRY to Ray off the lows
Dude,
now
I'm
down about
getting,
10%
like, some massive
following the
lag
results.
issues
Tango Lima Romeo Yankee.
Stem.
Yay, we got a mover.
VMAR.
Let's go. 278 now, huh?
VRME. VMAR.
All right, so
VMAR.
ZVSA kind of proved itself, or VMAR.
VRME.
It was the move to VWAP.
Silo.
We just got it. So
VRME. VRME.
It's giving us like a top and tail / possible 1-bar pullback here.
VRME.
Thinking there's going to be a lot of resistance here at VWAP.
VRME. VRME. VMAR. VRME.
MVST. They see we find support.
VMAR. VMAR. VRME. VMAR.
That's not cool. Saw possibly a dub pattern there in XHG. Frick, I need to be over here. I am so sorry, guys.
VMAR.
Oh,
TPET.
come on, baby. Come on, baby. Yeah, give me that.
Guys, I am so sorry. That's a trade right there. Could have got me
VRME.
going real good today.
Which one?
VRME.
VRME.
Oh, that one? Oh, nice. Nice bounce out of 230.
I'm like fucking Pac-Man. Give me my money.
Gobble, 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 gobble.
Yes.
TMDX.
Woo,
Shares
what a
falling to
fucking
the
rush.
intraday low, 62.59, following that short report from
God.
Scorpion
Silo.
Capital. That's
Yo, my shoe percent
Tango Michael
tomorrow,
Delta
2-bar
X-ray
green.
down about 14% now. TMDX.
MVST.
Wow.
Which one was that, Bugsy?
My screening.
Fuck. VMAR.
Bear.
Oh yeah, I got that one too. Good job. What, the pullback right near VWAP. That's where I got in. 1 minute candle.
God damn it.
That might be the top there. We got like the one push. I'm getting a little worried about it here with the top and tail.
Just in time. All right, bye.
Oh well.
Be
It's
right
still,
back.
It's not
Fuck
over
them up,
with.
boy.
But missed out.
Twice. Curling back up. Let's see what else is there.
XHG's playing off the
VMAR.
VWAP.
VMAR.
There goes VRME.
VMAR.
Pushing.
TOS is lagging today.
VMAR.
More than usual. Sometimes if you restart your application, it will fix it. Sometimes you just gotta wait a little later in the day, but
VRME.
so it was gonna drop and then it started to curl back up. So we gotta
VRME.
be looking for a continued rip. Yeah, it's too shaky. So I was
DTIL.
looking for the continued rip, but got chopped.
BKYI. VMAR.
You got to give it a little bit of time when you buy the dips.
MVST.
But also maintain the speed. It's tough. I'm only up $960 on it. That's not a lot.
MVST.
And now we're kind of rolling.
EKSO, Exo Bionics moving here on light volume, up about 3%. Echo Kilo Sandy Oscar.
VRME.
This one ended up
VRME.
being a dumper.
VRME.
XHG was a dumper. I guess VMAR is what's working. Fortunately.
VMAR. XHG. VMAR. XHG. MVST.
Shoot, someone took profit right there and dropped me and shook me out on a good win. Oh,
Hollow.
yeah, I'm getting delayed orders.
Hoth. Hoth.
Very laggy, bro.
Hoth.
WKEY.
Okay, guys,
YC,
I'm out.
some volume coming in. Whiskey Kilo Echo Yankee.
Wah. Get some
Yeah.
sleep.
There's nothing good today. If these caca.
Alt up's 356.
Basically red on a month, but I'll be fine.
VMAR.
We have, what is it, 1, 2, 3 weeks to be green.
Yep.
Let's go.
VMAR.
Getting a little bit of the chop treatment here.
Yep.
Bigger
All
seller up here.
Guys, I'll talk to you guys later.
Coming up at 10, Michigan
Bye,
consumer
Mazda.
sentiment.
Later, Mazda.
Later.
You got Kit and Hoth moving to
VMAR.
KITT and HOTH.
Silo.
Oh, ain't this a bitch?
Silo.
Yeah, VMAR took off again.
Yeah.
GRNQ.
Flew back 305.
Hoth.
Oh man.
Farmers trading this one.
GRNQ, Green
He's
Pearl
up
Capital,
35
getting
on
a
the
pop
chop
here on
up
a
here,
spike in
guys.
volume.
VMAR.
$1.68 Golf
smidge.
Romeo November Quebec.
Just a smidge up here, guys, getting chopped.
Hoth.
LAES,
Tried
CLSQ
to buy the
halted on
two-bar
a circuit
pullback.
breaker at
GRNQ.
14% now.
MVST.
At $6.02. Lima Alpha Echo Sandy.
Actually
VMAR.
took a loss on that. Should have just taken the small win.
GRNQ. VMAR.
Gosh darn you, scallywag. Could have locked in a couple $100. Took a loss, small loss.
VMAR.
But could have locked in
VMAR.
some scallywag profits.
WBA, Walgreens shares at the highs now at $11.34, up
Ooh.
22%. Following
Shoot,
their
this
earnings
thing's
report,
not-
that's
Huh.
Whiskey
Yeah, I'm
Bravo
sizing down
Alpha,
to
WBA.
2.7 now. As I get chopped.
TPET.
Careful. This is looking more like a sell-off than a pullback. Just a smidge.
VMAR.
Just a smidge like there's a bounce off UAP play there, but that was a short-lived thing.
All right, y'all. Have a good day. I'm out of here also.
VMAR.
All right,
Hey, man, have a good weekend.
TPET.
Yeah, y'all too. Be careful in that snow.
Yes, sir.
TPET.
Bottom left
BB,
corner, you will
BlackBerry.
get the tickers that are moving now.
TPET.
LAES, ARBE,
Some activity
Kit,
in the
Hoth.
May
All on
$4
the
calls
scanner
now. The March $4 calls, correction, on BB. BlackBerry shares off the highs now.
He does that shit all the time.
Yeah, he does. Scallywag.
Yeah.
SMSI. Hoth.
It's like he letting out his air muscles or something.
A lot of times he doesn't even realize it either.
Nah, he just
Okay, what we need to pay attention to is 369 pre-market high. We got real close to it and rejected away from it. Usually, if we come up this far, we do come get it. That is the pre-market high. We have kind of a pullback, but kind of a sell-off more so than a pullback. Not to say it can't come out of it, but just being a little cautious in this area. That's all. Scalps are in here. You can scalp this area. Stocks don't just flush every dip. I think some people are under the impression that every dip is going to be a flush.
XHG. XHG.
118 likes, guys. Appreciate it. We're cruising here.
VMAR.
Here it comes. 350 maybe.
Hey, I missed that one.
350, 360 coming.
Oh, no, I shouldn't have had it. Fuck.
Past
That was quite an impressive move there. 369 on the table. Should have bought the dip.
I bet Bugsy got in there. Bugsy got in there.
Ah, shoot.
Bugsy got in and Bugsy got out.
VRME.
Nice.
Hesitated on the selling, taking the loss. Lost quite a bit there. All back down to 3.3.
VMAR.
Come back up. Nope. Down. Up. Down. This morning sucks.
It's just getting choppy up in these areas, man.
Hoth.
Not happy about it at all, man.
MVST.
Got it up to 4K and then
SMSI.
$600-700 loss.
VMAR.
Slow exits.
VMAR. AIMD. VMAR. AIMD.
What the frick? We still haven't broke through 169.
VMAR.
XHG just went to the gutter, huh?
AIMD.
Yeah, I got caught in the fucking flesh too.
TZA.
I got it. $12 red on that.
VMAR.
It's filling me up. It's filling me at a better
VMAR.
price than what it looks like on my screen, but on my screen it looks very laggy. When I'm looking at my fills, the fills are great. The fills I got are great. I got
MVST.
46. It looked like I was getting 42.
AIMD. Hoth. AIMD. BKYI. Bear.
So I've sized way down here just to grab money, but to
VMAR.
glow. This is the concept I try to teach you guys. I've made some good money. Now I'm getting a little bit chopped up. I lowered size real small for me.
LAES.
I'm just adding frosting on to the cake.
LAES.
Your order has shipped.
LAES.
Don't do drugs, kids. You might end up being a day trader.
LAES shares
UANY.
resumed. Off the highs now, $5.75, LAES.
VRME.
BLBD, Bluebird,
I don't know why.
moving to the highs now, 41.24. Very light volume on that
LAES.
one. Shares up about 2.5%.
Hey, if you're looking for a
BLBD.
slow grinder, WBA is slowly moving up. It started at freaking what?
I got in high.
At 1051.
Like
Now it's at
VRME.
1154. Damn. I
Saw
don't
that
got
one
patience for that
this
shit
morning.
though.
VRME. VRME.
Just selling. I don't like that at all. I sold real early on that because I was like, I don't know if this is gonna
LAES.
flush. Looks like I made a wrong choice, but shoot. Dude, it really is. This is a flush risk here. It's just freaking the tough.
So what XHG I did, holy crap.
Hoth.
Oh, fine.
I got up to 4K, but now I'm just getting. Maybe Schwab has officially cut off hyper scalpers.
CCAR.
Which is the beginning of the end.
Any. MVST.
VRME, little run.
VMAR. VRME. VMAR.
37-36. I'm just taking losses, man. I want to punch somebody. So we still got 369.
VMAR.
Got a little bit more resistance than we've been dealing with previously. Usually on a run like this, it goes, but now we're hitting resistance. So I'm just like, what the heck, bro?
VMAR.
Shoot. I'm like, shoot,
VRME.
bro. Oh. Oh, what?
MBOT. DATS.
Coming up at 10, Michigan
Good.
consumer sentiment 74, the consensus.
Got it.
VRME.
A little bit.
VMAR is still going. Wow.
XHG.
I think it is, I think.
Anybody got in and out?
It is a little bit
I
harder
had
to
3
scalp. I'm
shares,
not gonna lie.
or like 6, something like that.
This isn't the easiest
XERL.
John Boy in the
DTIL.
world.
But I got in as it was coming up.
Hoth. Hoth.
XERS. XERS. XERS.
TPET.
Yeah, I have to look at what the wildfires are doing.
CGBS.
I'm not familiar with California, so I don't know what's burning, but I mean I know what's burning, but I don't know what the status is.
VMAR. VMAR.
If you have to just scrape pennies, just scrape pennies.
VMAR. VMAR.
West northwest.
VMAR.
BNRG, Bryn Miller Energy, up
VRMA.
about 11.75% now at the high on very light volume.
MSW. VMAR.
VMAR. VMAR.
Northwest.
Selling, dude.
VMAR.
I'm an idiot. I just get chopped up out here.
VMAR.
VMAR.
AMPG.
5 minute. I don't like the 5 minute so much. I'm going 900.
SPI.
VMAR.
You can still scalp the dips. But...
SPI. SPI. MRNS. MSW.
A lot of selling pressure here.
VMAR.
Lost $200. Luckily, just 200.
MSW.
Yeah, it does feel backside. Yep.
VRMA.
So we'll give this a second or two. Chill out. I had 4.3 on it. Got chopped up.
VMAR.
CGBS.
You know, it's hard
West
to know.
Northwest.
There's a reason why I'm
Hollow.
always in and out.
Hollow.
I'll jump out 1 second thinking it's a flush, and I'll jump back in
CGBS.
literally the next second, and it'll be a breakout.
ECX. ECX.
Hollow.
ECX.
You know, and
CGBS.
here's the deal with the lag on Thinkorswim. We get this kind of lag, and we would get it with TD Ameritrade too.
MCY.
This is not abnormal.
AMPX.
So it's not like this is like news. This is not like it's
AMPX. CGBS.
part of the platform as far as I'm concerned.
MSW.
I've
CGBS.
always worked around it.
ECX. SPI. MCY. SPI. GFAI.
ONON.
What, VMAR?
ECX.
CGBS.
Well, what did you make your money on? Oh, you made $56. All right. So
CGBS.
trading dad's up
AMPS.
$56 on VMAR.
CGBS.
But he is
CGBS.
saying it is trickier. It's a trickier one. So
GDI.
that's not coming from me. That's coming from the trading dad.
GDI.
He says it is a little trickier.
Oh, here you go. My bad.
He's
Education.
currently making a cup of coffee.
Everything they're gonna teach you.
John
The
DTIL.
VMAR.
Charles Schwab come out.
Is it a bad red?
GDIM.
Is it a
Hoth.
big red or is it a small red?
AMPX.
curl your
AMPX.
ABAT.
To get started is all right here as far as learning how to do technical
GDIX.
analysis. You know your
So we had
your patterns.
324 back up to 360.
SPI.
Maybe I should be trading this.
Like everything you want is right here, and then on top of that, whatever they don't have on here, right? Just go to YouTube.
You know, he's a goofball.
UBX.
and fucking put
A goober.
RVSN.
130 likes already, guys. Appreciate it. We got a little bear
VRMA.
flag 1 minute kind
PRM.
of curl here.
West
The-
Northwest.
I don't like it too much.
AMPX.
technical analysis. My tongue all chewed up. He's
West
alright.
Northwest.
OCS.
Oh, so by the time I sell, see, yeah,
VNRG.
trickiness involved. So
Him right
it was
here.
at 360. I
Cameron
hit
Ross.
sell.
He
It filled
has
me-
PG.
Actually, it filled me at
on top of
358.
dozens,
So actually not
on
too
top
bad.
of dozens, on top of
CDT,
dozens.
Conduit
Who you
Pharmaceuticals,
talking
near
to,
the intraday
Bugs?
high now, shares up
Oh,
about
yeah.
He's running his own class
80%
right now.
to 15 cents.
Damn,
So it's
Bugsy.
really tango.
Yeah,
Bugsy the
Bugsy.
farmer.
Yeah.
You're funny.
PG.
You're funny. You're funny. Nah, a friend of mine on Facebook hit me up to some. I'm thinking about buying Wall Street Trapper or Aristotle's. I'm like, bro, you get
You know,
this shit
Starbucks
fucking
is a
free
total
on,
ripoff.
SYRA.
It's insane.
on Charles Schwab.
You know.
Like,
Plus, it's not
it
healthy.
blows my mind how people are always willing to pay for
Most
something
of
that
it's
you
just
can
gonna
get for
give you
fucking free. You know what I
colon
mean?
cancer.
Now,
But we
I'm
still
talking
go
about a
there
person that
every
don't
day.
know jack shit about the stock market. So it's like, all right, before you
Yep.
buy,
VMAR.
Farmer, Ross, Sykes, or whoever course, go on.
Coming up, jobless
Charles
claims
Schwab and look up all
74.
that stuff right there, so that
Correction
we
on
get
that.
like a
Coming up,
foundation
Michigan
before you
consumer
go.
sentiment.
Yeah, do some
74 the
research
consensus.
first.
Yeah, like who
That's
says
coming
you
up
want
in
to
less
do
than
this
a minute
shit?
now.
You know what I mean, like, yo, get the free information first, then decide if you want to go all in or not.
That's where you
Yeah,
fucked up,
it's
Bugsy. You should have sold it to
a
him.
ritual is a nice way of saying
You sold him
right.
Ross's shit.
You right.
Just a
I be
ritual
trying,
of
trying to like
smoking.
help
Okay.
people out, man.
Yeah, dude.
I just
Which I
think
guess
like,
there is.
and then on top of that, it's like, bro, why are you being lazy? Like, yo, do the groundwork yourself. Fuck that.
73.2 versus
Now, once you
74 in
surpass
Michigan
the
consumer
sentiment,
sentiment.
VMAR.
Thinkorswim, then all right, then start looking out for like a mental or
Not
course or something.
validity, not
Like,
Diddy.
I don't know.
John.
Everybody don't have that thought process.
S&P
VMAR.
futures now
SRTY.
falling to the lows
A little bit of a bottoming
on
tail
that
here.
lower
The
than expected
5
number.
minute chart's
This is my
showing
cousin.
some risk here. it's not showing a whole
he
lot
got
of
some
bullishness. The
securities
1 minute
he
was a
invested
little bit of a
with
dub
this,
dub. The risk is
Kraken?
for that
current
5 minute chart
app
is
called Kraken, and
is fighting
you know,
against
I
it.
got
So
I helped him get this money. I was like, bro, why would you go with that when there's other places where you can invest in crypto in the United States and they have a physical address? So if shit hits the
UVIX.
fan, you know, you go actually to their address and talk to people face to face.
I bought pretty.
You would
high
think
here.
that's common sense, right? But I don't know.
XHG.
It's not common
AKYA.
enough.
SDS.
Like, bro, like, is there
I
anything
gotta
between your
cut
fucking
that,
ears?
dude.
What are you thinking?
I don't want to hear it,
SRTY.
guys. Don't even tell me about it.
I know you're
Stupid
right.
trade.
is pushing again.
Yeah. Too late. Too late.
Yeah.
I'm green for the
XHG.
day, and
FNGD.
Got
I'm
green,
over
hot
my
teeth.
$50
Got red.
requirement for the day. So
SDS.
Okay, well,
DTIL.
VMAR is kind of. I think this is kind of the end here.
AKYA.
Is what I'm thinking.
But just gotta keep watching it.
SYRS. SOXS.
and I'm almost
Check.
at $600 with this small account, this small ass account.
SOXS.
That's
SPXU.
dope, though.
I'll go
SOXS.
shovel concrete. I'll be back.
XHG.
Oh
SDSU.
shit.
Yeah, I'm gonna join you.
SOXS. SDSU.
AKYA.
SOXS.
Can go
SOXS.
shovel concrete, he said.
DTIL.
SOXS.
Kind of cold to be doing that.
Mike, how's it going?
That's some manual labor right there.
If you're struggling, keep going. Some of you guys are
VRME.
real close. Just need a slight adjustment.
I hated when I worked for Stain. I had to like bust the concrete up with
Just need a little tune up.
Oh my god.
AKYA.
Vibrate. You
VRME.
I think for some of
for
you
fucking
guys,
days
you
later.
are holding trades too long.
We had this
trying to
one
catch
pervert where he
bigger
would
moves.
purposely put it by his crotch.
When
to
in
get
fact,
his jollies. I was like, bro, you
some
sick,
of you,
man.
I'm for sure I gotta give you guys a 1 second
I'm
or
like, you a
less
sick
VRME.
trade
motherfucker,
rule.
man. Something wrong with you.
And you're gonna miss trades.
AKYA.
That's the reality of it.
His name was what
But
we call him?
hopefully you avoid the losses.
Larry the pedo.
VRME.
What's this?
What's Farmer on right now?
FNGD.
Okay.
VMAR just bounced off of VWAP.
VRME.
Yeah, I
CHSN.
can see that 297 to 323.
FNGD.
That's pretty good range there.
CHSN.
That's real.
CHSN. VRME.
Oof,
VRME.
that's nice. So I'm coming back to VMAR because that was
SPXU.
FNGD.
SCXU. VRME. VRME. SPXU.
VRME. VRME.
VRME.
You see that rebound? This is the pattern we talked about in the classes.
VRME.
That pattern right there.
SPXU.
Okay.
SPXU.
In this case, that pattern worked really well. If you got it at 3, ran at 334, that's a big
CHSN.
win. It happened quick.
AKYA.
So right now we kind of missed that
CGBS.
pattern.
CHSN.
Yeah, I'm gonna go down to 900.
TZA. SPXU. SRTY. TZA. SPXU. SRTY.
I was in the profit there for a second. Probably should have taken it. And try to
VRME.
get out break even.
AKYA.
VRME.
VRME.
Good enough.
AMPX.
It's resistance.
VRME.
AMPX.
AKYA.
I still think there's money on VMAR.
DTIL.
You see a ticker that's moving, call it out. CHSN.
FNGD.
VRME.
VMAR.
How's it moving?
VMAR.
What a goober.
VMAR.
Yo, look at XTIA.
What's the float on this?
That shit went from.
XTIA.
Yeah, that shit went. That was, what is this?
Oh my lord, that thing took a turd.
No, bro. It looked like it went from 6 cents to $11.74, and now it's dumping off.
What the
I don't
fuck
know,
happened?
guys.
Hold on.
Oh,
I was
split,
real close
split.
to catching it,
What
but
the fuck? Oh, it's a split. Okay.
Yeah.
Because
going for the
it
double
went
V.
from
I think
what
it's gonna be possibly beta.
14 cent to fucking 11. Good lord. Whoever shorted that from the top, they eating.
Oh my god, yeah.
They
OPTT.
eating.
Gonna add to it.
Damn. Fuck that. Ugh. And whoever thought it was gonna go higher,
VRME.
the butt hurt is real.
Too much
Yeah,
resistance.
It ain't enough charm in this world to
I don't want to hear about it, guys.
SMST.
It did rip up. I'd be up a lot of money right now. Frick. I'm an imbecile.
XHG.
I'm an idiot. Fuck. So I had the entry, botched the trade.
AKYA. Hoth.
VRME.
BKYI.
It's one to keep on watch.
Pending nationwide ban.
But I would say from 307 to 330 there.
CGBS.
2 seconds. That was.
I guess TikTok.
Oh yeah, today's the day, right?
Yeah,
Did he decide?
Yeah.
How you doing over there, K-Dub?
Oh man, I'm up $8, but I'm tired from shoveling.
The nice thing is it's not lagging as
VRME.
much over here.
Yeah, Fires, you're okay?
Oh yeah, I'm far away. One of my coworkers lost his house.
VRME.
Yeah, one of my coworkers did too.
It's also Dita fire.
Yep.
XHG.
SMST.
I saw some guy on YouTube going through it and on an electrical
MSTZ.
bike. That shit looked
AKYA.
crazy.
They busted 20 looters so far. Well, since yesterday.
SMST.
Looters? Who the fuck is? Wow.
Dude,
Talk
people
about
go,
XHG.
yeah. That's dirty.
wild.
Yo, you
Yeah,
gotta
you
be
know,
fucked up
anybody
for
catch
doing that
any of these
shit,
trades
man.
here?
Yep.
SMST.
Seriously.
You gotta be low as shit.
VMAR.
Stealing from people that are at their lowest. Like, what
SMST.
Yeah.
businesses?
SMST.
Some guy walking out with the TV they took a picture of.
Double
And it
top.
wasn't his. He was stealing it.
Wow.
VMAR.
So we had a classic farmer.
Yeah, mother that
bottom
walked up
W
to
here,
Gavin
kind of.
Newsom.
GRNQ.
Did
Yeah,
not
she's like, Gavin,
go very far.
Gavin, you gonna help us? Like, what's
I
going on
had
here?
them.
What, what are you doing?
Shoulda, woulda,
What are you
coulda.
doing? He's in his aviator. He's
AKYA.
like, I'm on the phone with
I saw
President
Blair
Biden right now.
earlier today.
She's like, can I hear the conversation? Well, I had
VMAR.
I'm trying to get him.
Okay, so VMAR is kind of in La La Land now. But keep an eye on it though.
GRNQ.
Then again, what can he really do? Go up
Coming
the
back to
fire
this
hose?
garbage.
VMAR.
I'm not sold on this. Sorry,
Nah,
guys.
but I think, I mean, look,
But
isn't California
possible
known for
curl
freaking
back to the
mudslides,
apex.
fires, earthquakes?
CGBS.
Yeah, you can't prep for earthquakes, but
possibly.
you could
Right.
fires. You could I don't know, that wind. I don't even know what started.
CGBS.
Somebody was saying some shit about he was trying to something
It
with some
likes to drop
fish.
out
He was
like a
trying to
mother.
save the fish, and he didn't want. I don't know,
I
some
gotta get
shit
out
with
there.
fire hydrants. There was no
Who
water.
got me over?
Really?
I should have just taken.
It's a fish. If you want to save it, go
I
put it
had
in a fish
8,000
tank and
I had
save it.
9,000 shares. Oh, and then it comes back up. I don't want to hear about it.
Yeah, it's fucking. You figure he would have done something because the ones that done in the Palisades, that's all celebrities. That's all rich people.
MVST.
Yeah.
You think that he would do something for them?
Made a tad there.
XHG.
Shoot, could have made a lot more money. Yeah, is
In
what it is.
Altadena, that's right close to
XHG.
Pasadena, where there's also multi-million-dollar houses.
Yeah, there's a couple famous people there too. I mean, the guy that created the the AT&T logo.
Also, De La
Yeah.
Hoya's up there.
Yep.
Lou
XHG.
Ferrigno.
Tragedy.
What's resistance?
XHG.
It's VRME again.
Yeah, no,
Ah,
look at that.
It's
What a move.
a wee bit of a breakout here.
Nearly a
Going
40
way
cent move.
low.
XHG. UVIX.
Victory.
Kind of a bigger bid popped up there for some reason.
VRME.
310.
Yeah.
305, I'm thinking 310, 320. There's 310.
VRME.
Should have used a limit order.
VRME.
I got a scallywag fill there.
VRME.
VRME.
Yeah, it's not good against you.
VMAR. Watch that too.
The V's are moving today.
Oh, but this is wow. People selling, taking profit.
Yeah.
VRME.
Wait for the next ride.
Yeah, it's getting a little unstable up here. Coming back over to our boy VMAR. Oh, it's on a rip.
VRME.
Kind of. A little bit of a risky rip here, but 390 is back to the target. Going to be real
VRME.
Careful in this area here.
VRME. VRME.
Holy shit, gave it all back, huh? Look at that.
What the?
Yeah.
VRME.
LABD. VRME.
When you try your best.
Well, I hate
don't
buying breakout
succeed.
highs.
VRME.
And it just drops.
Yeah, I
on
know. Yeah.
I'd rather wait for a small pullback. The smallest red candle on the one.
The other one's going. The other one's
VMAR.
VMAR.
Yeah, look at the 5 on VMAR.
Okay.
VMAR.
Oh, VMAR? Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Was that news? No.
VMAR.
Yeah, VMAR. Some kind of cooling plate.
So flush there, not a huge surprise.
Outboard.
Now look at VMAR.
Both
Nasty,
batteries.
ugly, but not a huge surprise.
It's like,
Yeah.
dang.
Damn, dude.
Yeah, that just tanked.
Wow.
Yeah.
Dang.
See, we don't give a shit about boats.
The V's doing the same. Like
VMAR.
Oh, that's that boat stock, huh? VMAR.
Yeah.
That's right. All right, we
Boats.
traded that a couple months
Couple
ago.
weeks ago, right? Yeah, last month.
Yeah.
VMAR.
I might just offload a shitload of shares.
VMAR.
The thing with VRME, the bid will drop out and you'll lose your freaking profit. eBay notification. Yeah, well, I bought this M1 carbine or this
DATS.
M1 carbine. And
VMAR.
I don't know. It's just a can of worms because now I have like
DATS.
5 of them.
VMAR.
A couple of them had the wrong parts on it or broke. One of them had a broken part.
AMD Advanced Micro Devices shares down about
So yeah,
VMAR.
I bought
6% now. 115.01 Alpha Michael
4
Delta.
M1 carbines. I bought a Luger. I just got in yesterday. 1939 Luger. Issued to the
Somebody
Nazis.
Get in or get
and
out.
So
XHG.
some dark history behind that pistol for sure.
AKYA.
And got a few others as well.
DATS. WKSP.
WKEY.
Hey dog.
DATS.
And Drago,
CGBS.
I bought a K98 yesterday. But it's a
AKYA.
It's a 1941
CGBS.
K98 or something. It's not all matching though.
DATS.
Because it was, they are so expensive. So I was like, I don't need an
CGBS.
all matching K98. But I did just buy one yesterday.
CGBS is moving.
CGBS. VRME.
I just made 300 bucks on your mom.
The one that's gonna go to $1.
VMAR.
Yeah.
That seems incredibly unstable. I'm going in small size just to say
DATS.
I traded it, but I think this is gonna dump on me. We'll see.
LAES. DATS. DATS. CGBS. DATS. CGBS. DATS.
DATS is going up above UAP.
MCVT.
CGBS.
Just gonna take it up there.
DATS. DATS. CGBS. CGBS. Hoth. Hoth. MVIS.
I have 44 all matching.
DATS.
So yeah, like the Luger I bought is an all matching, never restored, non-import Luger.
DATS.
Costs about $3,000 before tax. I also got the 1911 Colt.
CGBS.
All matching. I think it's a 1917.
How's everybody
so
doing so far? Green?
DATS. CGBS.
Red like me?
Green, yes sir. Yep.
I went in high share size. I'm like, all right, I'm going in.
DATS.
DATS.
Yep, I did that earlier today, and I was like, oh crap, now I gotta
DATS.
try and dig myself out the hole. I'm almost out of the hole.
I held this one too long. Yeah, lost everything on it. So I kind of got
slaying
sloppy
the
there.
news this in the morning, early morning.
GLXG.
Larger share
Dang, it
size.
sucks. Dude. There's a $400 loss.
CGBS. GLXG. Bear.
It's a $400 loss. I want to hear about
VMAR
it. It was stupid because it looked like it was about to break, and now it does look like it's about to break.
GLXG.
Give me a dip.
ZVSA.
Okay, made most of it back. A little bit of a breakout here in DATS. Frick.
ZVSA.
I'm gonna
GLXG.
go for the dip within the rip. I don't know the halt levels. Oh my gosh, chill out, DATS.
ZVSA.
Ugly son of a. Ooh.
GLXG.
Yeah, I think DATS is taking away so many attention from everything else.
I swear, if I start making YouTube videos, y'all gonna love it. I'm gonna be so obnoxious.
Probably sold early.
Breaks
knowing me. Yep.
450.
I would be so obnoxious. Oh my god. I would go like a whole.
That must be the halt
rant
level
on
there,
every
no?
green
Okay,
day.
I don't know what the halt level is on this freaking thing.
Fucking
DATS.
confetti falling in the background.
Okay, that's a little toppy
DATS.
toppy.
Somebody's playing DATS.
Yeah.
DATS.
This one ran the other day, I think.
Yeah, it was on Friday or
MVST.
Was it? Yeah, last week, yeah.
It was.
Yeah, I don't know why I
149
got
likes
there,
this
that's why I
morning.
don't play those.
That all is for
had
you
small
guys.
shares.
Not
Try-
for me.
I thought it was gonna break
Huh.
out the highs. Didn't go the way I planned.
Special shout out to Mike R, Blair, Mighty
VMAR.
Bill, Heaven with a D, Twin, BZ,
DATS.
this pullback.
Jim
VMAR.
Collins. J.
DATS.
Yeah. It was on
And I'm
January
missing a few
7th.
others.
Actually, that was a nice
DATS.
run. About $2 to
DATS.
$9.50.
DATS. DATS.
Special shout out to Rick Aloha.
VRME. DATS.
VMAR's on a backside for sure. XHG. I made my money on this pre-market, lost some as
DATS.
the market opened. This one's no good. VRME. I could see this one being tradable.
XHG.
DATS,
Here goes
Dat Chat
DATS.
hopping again here to new highs, up 37%. Delta Alpha Tango Sandy.
XHG.
5 minute on DATS is terrible though.
MI Mint IPO share is open
XHG.
now.
Barely got any.
$4.37.
It's shaky.
Priced at $4.
DATS. I missed DATS. Somebody probably got DATS. A little bit of a double top here, which is what's scaring me.
AMPG.
DATS.
VRME, if you look at that 5 minute, it's got that. Well, I had that 5 minute bottoming tail. It's the 1 minute's a little shaky. DATS, I'm a little worried about. Let me go grab something quick. I'll be
It's
right
at the
back. And then
previous
let me know, guys,
resistance
what your
pre-market.
P&Ls.
QBTS.
There it goes. There it goes.
ZVSA. IONQ.
Ooh, shit.
VMAR.
VMAR sold out terribly. Oh my god. Well, not that. Jesus.
DATS. DATS.
DATS.
DATS.
And not gonna do that, but alright. Get my stab hotkey back up somehow. What the fuck?
XTIA.
So a bit of an update here. Trading Dad lost all his profits on the day. He was up 56.
XTIA.
Now he's down.
It was down almost $80 back to today. Right
Feds
now
Goolsby,
$17.91 now.
The farmer's playing this one.
I don't like the shakiness.
Said
Playing
productivity
DATS.
is very noisy as data series, but it's still very important to watch. Will determine if there's overheating or not. Would be a concern if long rates started rising on the basis of inflation expectations. Speaking on
Maybe I
CNBC.
should. Dude, what? I just
Sound
lost
like
80
a good-
bucks.
Sound like good. Go back to bed.
Aggregate numbers like jobs are hard to
That
interpret when
sucks.
productivity
But
is
he's
moving
breaking
around.
even.
That's what
But
the Feds.
DATS.
We're supposed to get some snow in Nashville today. I don't
There you
know.
go, Jason. Very good. MJM
You guys
Texas,
got
DATS.
snow around right now?
who actually lives in California.
There's some in Dallas.
Okay.
Didn't hit Houston though.
We've had snow in Ohio ever since like 5 days after, like
So
3-4 days after
that sucks.
Christmas.
I mean, that's fine because he's small. He's
HURA.
small.
It's
He's
6
small
inches
red.
in Oklahoma.
It's getting annoying.
What it
GLXG.
sounded like is he
Not really like
tried to buy a
restraining to
big
come around the
dip.
corner quicker than normal.
I'm guessing probably on this candle here. I'm guessing this is
DAL
VMAR.
Delta Air CFO says industry backdrop
I'm guessing it's
continues
I
to
don't know
improve,
what
providing
exactly got
potential
him,
for
but
additional margin upside
sounds
from
like
the
he
main.
tried to buy the dip.
GLXG.
Dipped one more and
DATS.
then went.
That's DAL Delta Alpha Lima.
What the frick?
XTIA.
Trading that.
They say snowing outside right now.
So we're
Shares of Delta
kinda-
off the lows
DATS is
at
definitely kind of
off the highs at
CGBS.
67.41, up about 10%.
six
Hey, make
DAL.
sure y'all
4K.
leave y'all faucet and
DATS.
stuff dripping, because my sister's, she had her pipe busted one
Not
time.
as good as
and it
Ross. I
fucking leak
know.
all over the
Ross
damn
is
house.
just so good.
Yeah.
We love
Yeah,
him.
that's usually when
DATS.
it's like around 29, right?
CGBS.
Yeah.
No homo, of course. A little bit of a pullback here on ticker symbol
DATS.
You down a lot, Jason?
CVSA.
Yes.
More than normal because I'm usually small share. My small shares have been good. I'm like, oh, let me just try and bring it up. And then as soon as I bring it up, it's like, what the fuck?
XTIA. XTIA.
Yeah.
Brother Butter.
FUBO.
Right.
$20 today.
Right.
Very good, brother.
It did.
Very good, brother.
HURA.
Uh-huh. Yeah, right.
XTIA.
Yep, exactly.
XTIA.
Got a good fill there. Not planning to hold DATS for long.
I'm down like what? I think $13 and then $13 on
it's a dropper, then it's a
Wednesday.
goer.
Like $25.
Ah, frick. DATS is just a little. It's a tad bit frustrating.
Trying to be careful because I'm green, but I don't want to go red trying to trade this because I don't have much wiggle room for if I fuck up.
Oh, that's a tad bit frustrating. Oh.
DJT, Trump,
just a smidge.
Media
for
share
sure.
spiking to the highs, 34.80.
Yeah,
Delta
you know, I
Juliet
don't
Tango
know
up
if,
about 0.75%.
HURA.
Delta Juliet Tango.
Right.
BLBD Bluebird, the
HURA.
January 45 calls trading now.
DATS.
Brother, I look.
Bravo Lima Bravo Delta.
Sorry, I'm getting a little angry with DATS here. It's starting to go
DATS.
para right into a halt. Hopefully a halt so it just chills out so I can just talk. Come on, halt, baby.
Yeah, it looks
halt.
like a halt.
False halt.
Looks like it
DATS.
looks like it's the real deal. Oh, false halt. It's halt chasing. Went down to 900 shares.
VRME.
DATS.
DATS.
Bought late, a little bit delayed entry there.
DATS.
Ah, shoot, I'm up only 344. It's not a big deal. I'm still up over $6,000, but
DATS.
we had the 2-bar pullback here. That would have been
DATS.
great to hold. What's working well is holding for this one. It's just a wee bit difficult.
DATS. DATS.
Just every time I buy, I lose. Frick. Ah. Now, you know what I need? I need a vapor cool
DATS.
severe off drop.
DATS.
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 Son of a
It's
scallywag.
possible to actually try to
Gave
get
back
something good without the
almost
rest
too
of the
much on
flesh.
this.
QSI.
Son of a scallywag, dude. I
QSI.
want to pull back. I need a pull back there.
VMAR.
Is that how the 50-50 works? 50% up, 50% down?
Special shout out to Stock Trader Extreme as well. Special shout out to my
You just hope
Anomaly.
you're on the upside.
Special shout out to
Cheap was on earlier.
Anomaly.
Oh, was he?
Right, these are just
Yeah,
some of
like
the people that
Break of
are.
Dawn.
Yo, he's got a system, man.
DATS.
He does well.
He's a good
Friends
swinger.
of the Trading Farmer.
Yeah.
John, of course. And shoot.
PANW.
You know, I've had some friends come
DATS.
and go.
Hey,
For sure.
12 cents on one share. I'll take it. That's fine.
ZVSA.
DATS.
Come on, DATS.
Yeah, DATS. Come on, DATS.
DATS.
Gosh.
VMAR.
The only thing freaking moving right now.
Yo.
GLXG.
Whoa.
Yeah, I've been in these executive meetings, man. This is crazy.
You got more important things to do than being in those meetings.
GLXG.
Shoot, I will. Yeah, that's right. But I'm sitting in the meeting and I'm like, man, like, sheesh. Anybody get in debts?
Nah, I was just watching it.
DATS.
Too bad though.
Sure, but
You know, the thing with DATS is, yes, it's going straight up, but
yeah.
Question is, where did you get in, Sheep?
Exactly. Yeah.
you know, it's not a bad call.
Like
$3.50.
Close, 365.
I just feel like if you did make good money on DATS, you got to be
DATS.
You got to be quick to peel out of it before you lose it, because just the way the bid and the ask is moving, it's a little nutty. Now this thing could keep going for a while.
What's that?
No, it's going more than I want it to.
What do you got for levels on DATS?
Oh, DATS levels. Let's see, $6.01. I'm sorry, $6.10 is the first level. Second level, $7.06.
Trying to read the rhythm here. The rhythm.
Third level,
personality,
$8.99.
Price action.
Fourth level, $10.91.
Which the price action encompasses.
Fifth level, $14.77.
Especially
VRME.
The spreads, especially the time and sales. Spreads are sort of bigger. The bid and the ask are relatively tight, but do open up and get a little
only
unstable
DATS.
at times.
Big spread.
I was playing pre-market.
XTIA.
Up 1K in DATS right now. Just kind of want to keep using small size. Yeah. Keep rocking.
XTIA. XTIA.
And I got XHG at like 104.
I got in high. Shoot, I should have taken what I had.
Yeah.
DATS.
That looks like a bull trap. Shoot. Of course, the one time I do jump in it, I get smoked.
That was in pre-market too.
And, you know, if you're being aggressive and you get the right entries, you could have got DATS real good. I think my hesitation.
What happened?
DATS
is a great example of what happens when you hesitate. Get off rhythm real quick. It's a fine line.
Oh, might be it for DATS. I don't know.
XTIA.
Hey.
That sucks.
Yeah, I mean, I'd be up better if I get fucking kind of stupid and flush the next HG, but I'm up $14.53.
I'm scared of it doing that.
VMAR.
Because I'm a little emotionally compromised on it.
Truth Social said he was given an unconditional discharge.
CVSA.
I could have got out on next HG, but it was at the VWAP when I was in it, and I was hoping it would go, but I got caught like a 30-cent flush.
DATS.
Yeah, that's might be done now.
VMAR.
Below the 9. It's teetering towards the 20 on the VWAP.
See what else is out here.
VMAR. XTIA. XTIA. XTIA.
Police brutality.
XTIA.
That's bit about that dip there. 478 back to 515. That could have got me green again on this one.
XTIA.
Actually, I'm green on every ticker except for detail.
VMAR.
Where I'm red $3.46.
XHG.
Big sellers on DATS. Big sellers.
Where did DATS go?
Benzinga market update. S&P
SPI.
futures down 77. The Dow futures down 523.
Not happy
Nasdaq
with
down
DATS.
325. Crude is up $2.89 at
XHG.
$76.81.
SPI.
Natural gas is up
We'll stay with it.
$3.90, up 22 cents at $3.92.
Or should we shut it
Gold up
down?
41.90
We'll do a poll.
at
Start a poll.
27.33.
XTIA.
Bitcoin futures up 1660 at 93,800.
MSW.
Scallywag.
We'll run a poll. Poll
XTIA.
is time to shut down? Question mark.
XTIA.
I am the best.
XTIA.
Oh Lord, here this knucklehead come. What you doing
I don't
down
know.
here?
VMAR continues to make highs. I might just come
You're
in here and
still
try to
doing
do
longer. You was
scalps.
doing it last night.
Oh, as soon as I say that, it dumps.
GLXG.
Huh. Shoot.
Hey, go upstairs, go make me
WKEY.
a sandwich. Be useful. You know how hard it is to do this stuff? God.
MSW.
You're just sitting on your ass.
Huh?
Nothing.
Oh, shit, y'all can
GLXG.
hear it? Oh, oops.
Ah, got smoked
like,
there
why
as
are you sitting on your
well.
ass?
My initial entry would have been profitable.
MSW.
Really,
but then I added and tried to
don't
hold.
even get me started. I'll go on a whole hour rant
DATS.
of bullshit I be hearing.
Yeah,
see,
I'm
I'm
DATS.
just all over the place.
All you
Let
do
it
is
not
look
be
at a
true.
screen, you sit there and talk on the chat.
SNAP Snap
XHG.
popping to the highs now, up about
You know,
83%.
Saving Private Ryan,
Saying of Alpha Papa.
it still stands as a pretty good movie. It really does.
GLXG.
Flat tire.
GLXG.
You know, and it seems like nowadays everything's CGI. You know, there's a level of realism with Saving
Yeah,
Private
literally,
Ryan, which is from the 2000s.
The wild thing is,
And you
yo,
got
have a
Saving
job,
Private Ryan, and
it's
then it
still
rolls right
needed.
into
Horrible money, man.
Yeah.
2001 Band of Brothers series, which was
Good job. You want money?
also pretty good. It did not get good ratings at the time. Band of Brothers
Here you
came
go, right?
out
All
right
this
when
snow,
9/11
you can't plow out this person
And,
house, this person house, this person house. It's $50 right here. Go
just
get
was
it.
a sensitive period to
DATS.
be
Back when it hurt.
releasing a war film or series.
Don't get me started. I could go all the whole trading
DATS.
day complaining about the fuckery.
MSW.
ZBSA.
Oh God.
I got you, Dats. I got
Let's
you.
go.
You don't
Let's
own
go.
me.
$2 more.
I own you.
I'm done.
Which one?
I'm done. On that. Oh yeah, I had what I have now.
Hit.
I built up a
On DATS,
position
yes, it
near
was
the
loosely a
20,
W
and I
pattern.
got out
Yes,
at
and that's why I bought it
5.21 at 12 shares.
at the lows here.
Yo, look at
DATS.
DATS like it's about to push up
Loosely.
right now
I'm gonna go down to 900.
on a 5 minute.
But I don't give a shit
DATS.
because I'm done.
No, that's right.
I got spooked out of the
Study's my
trade.
cutoff anyway,
Frick
so I'm
you.
10 minutes past that.
Frick you, Dats.
Silo. GLXG.
Green, basically $17. That's cool.
I turned ghetto.
I'm
real
mad that
fast.
Solar lost because I'd be up fucking
I
almost
usually
30
don't
right
turn
now.
ghetto, but I really turned
Yeah,
ghetto there for a
that's
second.
alright. At least
Anybody
I cut
here
it.
grew
If
up
I
in the
didn't cut it,
ghetto?
I'd be down way more.
I mean, I didn't, but for a second there, I
LTBR.
feel like I was
RIVN, Rivian, the
the
August
hidden ghetto within me that
Maybe down
it
like
doesn't
20.
really exist came out.
Alright. I'll see y'all Monday.
February $18 call.
Oh god, every time I do that, I always close up my fucking Thinkorswim before I do my photo for my piano.
MSW.
GLXG.
Oh wait, no, I got a video. Never mind.
DATS.
What a week.
DATS.
Dag, if Jimmy Carter, well, let me not say that because that's not right. But well, look, if Jimmy Carter wouldn't have passed away, could have been like really
DATS.
epic. But whatever.
Yeah, but what's crazy though is if you think about it, there's been 40-some presidents. Are they gonna do that every single time a president dies? That's like 40 days out of a year we won't meet a trade eventually.
I fucking hope not. And I hate to sound like a whole dickhead, but
That's a lot of days, man. 40. We have 40+ presidents. If they do one for every single president,
DATS.
That's a lot, yeah.
Are they going to do it on that date every year though, or are they just doing it?
No.
Just,
No,
yeah,
they're
not making it.
bury him.
Yeah,
just bury him.
Right.
DATS like it's like it could be a big N pattern, or what Ross said, an ABCD pattern,
Huff.
whatever. I don't know.
Okay, bad news. Bad news. Trading dad is snowballing.
Oh no, trading dad's snowballing. Stop snowballing, trading dad. You're fucking up.
So what happened was he went
XTIA.
green to red on the day. And I knew that's a huge trigger.
XTIA.
So he's on DATS and he's just trying to read the rhythm. And sure enough, he's struggling. I'm struggling. So
CCJ
but he's
Kamiko,
still onto the right path.
February $60 calls trading Charlie Juliet.
Be doing this shit.
He's still on the right path. There's a lot of learning that can be done.
She was charged with identity theft.
That's just too bad.
Property by false pretense, conspiracy, passing a floor.
Yeah, I'll just have to go over there and fix it for him. The roles have reversed.
Yeah.
It used to be where he comes in and fixes my mistakes.
This chick got
It's
arrested
totally
for using
reversed.
another
I have
person's
to go in
name,
and fix
credit
his
report, and
mistakes.
employment history to rent a home. Get the fuck out of here. That's crazy.
Some people do that to their kids to get a home. Have you heard of that?
Man, listen, I done seen some
Like, Johnny,
wild
what
shit.
did you do? Like, I walked over there. He's down
Like, you go to,
$230.
as soon as a kid turn 18 and they try to start establishing credit, like they realize that their mom,
doing?
Yep, that they're fucked.
They whole credit up, and they get mad when
CBSA.
you try to straighten it out. Like, bro, like tell me you horrible with money.
Well, I know. So he said he was down 3.
Yeah, but ain't that shit illegal? You can't use your kid's fucking
He said he
SSI
was
or
down
social security numbers to do that shit. I mean,
That is illegal.
He
That
made
is
back
illegal.
100.
It's identity
So,
theft.
But how
He's-
often do they
he's-
really get the hammer thrown at them for that shit?
X-
What I
XTIA.
call
Slap
working
on the
out.
wrist or some
And some of
bullshit,
you,
like-
and there's people like there's some
That's
traders.
crazy. That's fucked up, man.
They're
XTIA.
so
That's
consumed
totally
with max
messed up.
loss,
Here you go.
which is
I
good.
was just trying to do the
But I
best
think
I can.
they don't
Huh.
give themselves the wiggle room to push it and
Oh my
to
God.
stretch their legs a
I'm doing
little
on my
bit.
own. I need your help. I
But
use
there's
your
some
shit to
traders
help us.
that
Oh, help us. Okay.
are
Maybe.
Get a
too
fucking
loose
job.
with the whole, well, screw it, I got the money, and then next thing you know, they lose.
If helping the family means that
thousands.
you
So,
stop my
yeah,
credit into the
push it
shitter,
a
okay,
little
I
bit,
get
but
that's a
there's
weird way to describe it.
it's a fine
That's-
line. Pushing it doesn't mean like
But
risking an obscene
I
amount of
digress,
money.
'cause I go on
But
a
if
rant about
your
that,
max loss is
it'll-
$50 and you're
it'll
down
get ugly
50,
quick.
you know,
I'll see you on Monday. I'm out.
DATS.
then
Later.
you usually are good at
Later,
your max
JDM.
loss. You know, maybe one
Take
of these
care.
days you
Later.
can try digging yourself out of the hole for practice.
Does WKEY. Ooh.
DATS.
CHSN.
Yeah.
PLBY.
Yeah, Pops is in critical condition. Maybe he'll dig out of it. Maybe he'll dig. I told him
9 million
DATS is
free
kind of on the
float,
backside.
9 million with the shares.
CHSN.
And it's too bad because
CHSN. VMAR.
there was front side here. And that's kind of where you want to be
Serve.
WKEY.
trading. But I think DATS could still come back. It's a maybe, though.
VRME.
That's weird.
Serve.
There is that potential.
LAES.
I mean, you never know what the potential is. I mean, that could be the potential.
XTIA.
But I will say the 5-minute chart is about as ugly as it gets. It's almost a Nanny McPhee chart. Absolutely hideous.
WKEY.
I'm kidding. No offense to Nanny McPhee. I'm
XTIA.
really I don't know much
XHG.
about her. But every time I look at her, I'm just like, what the? It is Friday.
XTIA.
Yeah, Papa messed up, but he's still onto the right thing. I just think when he went from up $60 to break even, that was his cue to dial back. And what happened was he probably dialed up because he was like, I got to get it back. And that's the whole concept of if it's this, I got to make it back mentality, it clouds your judgment. It takes time and wisdom. I still deal with that to this day. And it took me years to the point where I have the control now, for the most part, to wait for better entries, to walk away from certain tickers. Right? Trading the correct ticker, that's a large part of the battle.
XHG. VMAR.
Correct. Guys, don't forget it's Friday. TGIF. Guess what it says on my stream. Thank God it's Friday, Scallywag. Because it's true. Thank God it's Friday. I enjoyed my day off yesterday. We still did the class. I hope you guys enjoyed it. But thank God it's
XTIA.
Friday. It's correct. So, this career is very
XTIA.
much it's very much a survive.
Yeah, waiting on the runners. Let's see what's happening.
And just stick with it. It's like starting a business.
CEG.
How many businesses fail?
Big spread.
Quite a few. And with day trading, it's like starting a business. The nice thing about failure in the business is it really does come down to you. Meaning all the mistakes you make are your fault and yours alone.
LUMN getting some volume here, seeing activity
VMAR.
on LUMN
not based off of
January
stuff out of
January
your
$4
control.
course. Let's leave
So that's nice with day trading.
VMAR.
You can control your risk. You're in full control of your destiny. It's one of the best businesses to pursue.
VMAR.
Again, safely, with caution, because day trading
GLXG.
is risky. Some say it's riskier than getting married, even, believe it or not. So,
ZBAI.
DATS is what's in play here. We could get the micro dip here,
ZBAI.
and then the curl back up. But the curl back up might only go. It might not go. It might only go to
GLXG
510 before flushing, and that's if it does curl.
ARBE.
Yeah, John. Well, John.
ARBE.
Not to. You have to be content, right? Because we don't want to put pressure.
VMAR.
Although there is pressure, there has to be some understanding that you need to give yourself a long enough time frame.
DATS.
Show up every day that you can. Is working on the rigs, is it bad? I don't know. I never worked on a rig.
GLXG.
That goes for everybody. And who am I to say anything about it? But I think the people that find the most success, there's not a rush. They're content.
ZBAI.
Or they fake their contentment, or they come to
AKYA.
accept. Because if you start saying, I need this to work by December, I need this to work by summer, like as soon as I start hearing people set those deadlines in trading, I'm just like, well,
CHSN.
You're in for a surprise. And this is not you, John, specifically. You just jogged my memory.
GLXG.
So I'm not saying, oh, John, you're screwed. I'm just saying.
GLXG. CHSN. VMAR.
How long do you think it is average amount of time for your students to get it? I'm thinking at minimum a year, probably average 1.5 years with about 2 years. So I say anywhere from 1 to 2 years. If you're going on 2 years
yes, sir. Way to go.
Waking up and every day trading the 50-50, right? I know some people, they're like, oh, I traded crypto, and they add that into their experience. I'm like, no. They used to trade futures in Tesla. They're like, oh yeah, I've been trading for this long. Like, yeah, but how long have you been trading?
DATS.
100% devoted, all in. What we like to call balls deep. How long have you been balls
GLXG.
deep in the 50-50?
Leg.
And if you're going on 2 years of trying this strategy that I trade, that doesn't mean you're not going to succeed.
VMAR.
But maybe it does mean that you need to start looking at. You really need to start looking at what's stopping you. Make simple conclusions. Make simple and slight adjustments. Simple and slight adjustments equals success for a lot of you. Some of you are brand new to this, so it's like you got to put in the work. Like you got to put in the time. Some of you guys just need simple and slight adjustments. And the problem is, what is that? I don't know. Some of you guys, you know better than
VMAR.
Me.
GLXG. VMAR.
I imagined old hanging balls touching the floor. Yes. Paul, can we get a meme of that? The balls deep analogy. Can we get? Nah, probably shouldn't.
DATS.
When I was your age.
GLXG.
GLXG.
Okay.
GLXG. UVXY. GLXG. GLXG.
Where are you looking at?
I'm looking at GLXG. I jumped in at 130, and now I'm looking at the GFAI.
NRXB.
Looking through my list.
GLXG.
I got 5 minutes, guys. And I gotta jump on another
GLXG.
call. SMX.
VMAR. GLXG. VMAR.
GLXG.
All right, I can report the trading data is moving in the correct direction. We are telling him, I told him, look for DATS for a reversal potential. The sellers are trying to drop it here. They're running out of steam. Nothing's for sure.
UVXY.
Uh-oh, this could be it right here. This could be the reversal.
GLXG.
I hope he gets a dip
GLXG.
on this.
VRME.
Oh, I hope he gets...
VMAR.
It's going to be in play here. Trading Papa.
VRME.
But careful, it likes to drop out.
GLXG. GLXG.
It's not... It does those drops, so some of...
GLXG.
Hopefully he's
XTIA.
in. Probably the break of 5. I don't know. You never know. Oh, I got a terrible
XTIA.
fill.
Big spread. XTIA.
I'm out there.
XHG.
I think it is moving.
XTIA.
Maybe the trading papa will
Nope.
get grief today. We'll
Not
see.
moving. This.
God bless you.
XTIA.
Yeah. I got
In Canada. So I guess Trump is
VMAR.
We're gonna.
XTIA.
Canada is going to be the 51st state.
Did you sell
The
some
Gulf
at,
of
like,
the Gulf of Mexico is changing names.
Yeah.
And we might
I bought,
acquire
I
Greenland.
bought about 60 of them
I don't know if this is good.
at 104.
I don't know. This seems very what's
DATS.
the word? Imperialistic? Is that the word?
DATS.
DATS on the 3-minute chart like it's gonna do a big ass end pattern.
DATS.
Here's the deal with it.
NRXP.
A little bit of risk up here, Trading Dad. Careful. 179 likes.
DATS.
All right, guys, gotta go.
So we're split 50-50. 54% yes to shut down, 46% no. With 180 likes. We got a Nanny McPhee stock.
Ken.
We got Scallywags across America.
XTIA. Big spread.
Actually, across the world, trading 50-50. Some of them
XTIA.
are in denial. Some of them are in full-blown cover-up mode, which they have failed, thank goodness, and will continue to fail at
XTIA.
lying. 54% say shut down. Oh my gosh, here we go. DATS. I'm sizing down the 900 because this is ridiculous. I don't want to fall below 7,000, which I just did. As soon as I said
GLXG.
I don't want to.
DATS.
You know, the bids on this are not good. Not good.
DATS. RXT.
Oh, you guys, I'm nervous. I'm nervous here. Free commissions is great. Yes, indeed.
MVST.
Wow.
XTIA.
Shoot, screw you, dude. I got the worst fill in the history of fills.
XTIA. XTIA.
Finally got an entry there, but not a great one.
GLXG. DATS. DATS. XTIA.
Caught a little a scallywag scalp there. I'm getting a little nervous as it breaks to the apex up here. Could be another dip, or it could be a pullback here. I'm a little nervous here. Caught a little bit. $200. I'll pay for Starbucks. Noah's gonna propose to DATS. What ring are you gonna buy? Are you gonna go for the fake ring, fake diamond? You're gonna go for the blood diamond. 188 likes this morning on a Friday, 9 a.m. Phoenix,
DATS.
Arizona time.
DATS.
Mayor Bass. Hey guys, if you're upset today, you just
DATS.
recall, or not recall, but be grateful that you are not Mayor Bass of the California state.
XTIA.
LA. No one,
DATS.
no one is too impressed with her decision there, cutting funding
XTIA.
for the fire department.
XTIA.
I don't know. DATS is a son of a
XTIA.
scallywag.
Wow, DATS.
Yeah, then from VWAP all the way back up. Below VWAP.
DATS.
XTIA.
Was over.
DATS is in play here.
DATS.
Gosh darn you.
VRME.
Missed that red candle right there on the 1 minute pullback.
Silo.
You know, go for those
GLXG.
little scalps. You can't hold it too long. This is kind of the DATS I remember from yesterday or from last week. I got a bad scalp there. That was a bad scalp.
DATS.
Frick.
DATS.
So sometimes we do see that where they do an offering, the price drops really hard.
DATS.
Short sellers think they have it in the bag, and then what happens is they lose their pants. They lose their pants on the ticker like this because you know what? Usually they do an offering and it's done. You're right. And now what's happening is it is concurrent. It is currently, not concurrently, but currently testing the stop orders of short sellers because typically it typically sells off. So barbecue message retracted. Good. It better be retracted. Welcome barbecue to the chat member. Okay, that's kind of a little bit of a reversal. A little bit. Just I'm gonna go check. I'm gonna go check on the trading data and see if it's good or bad. I'll let you know in about 30 seconds.
GLXG. GLXG.
DATS.
XTIA.
Damn, it did do a big ass impact
QBTS.
on DATS. Anybody get in on that? I hope so. Motherfucker went from $5 all the way to $5.86.
I got a little bit of
RGTI.
There you go. Go.
RGTI.
Ugh.
still hasn't made up for my
Well, okay, so
my position.
the situation is
in,
unchanged.
AKYI.
Trading dad is still red.
AIFF. It's still losing trade.
He says he got green $10 on the day, and then he got destroyed on
XTIA.
this flush here. So overdid it.
VMAR.
Overdid a little too much aggression, but overall doing mostly the right thing. But I think if he was in fact $10
DATS.
green, he should have
XTIA.
taken it and been done for the day.
DTIL.
So now we're kind of on backside again here a little bit. Hopefully he doesn't do anything stupid. He's gonna have to be patient
VRME.
and wait for sellers
GLXG.
to have their fun. So that's a bit of a disappointment.
XTIA.
Yeah, if that's true, if he truly was green, because he was down over $300, and then he came back to green $10. He should have, and I've made that mistake. The reason why I know he should have taken it, I've made that mistake so many times. If you've gone from big red and you've come back all the way to break even or close, in my experience,
SILO, Salo
it's
Pharma
always
at the
best
highs now. Sandy India Lima
to
Oscar.
take it.
XTIA.
Because again, not every day is about making money. A lot of it is just about surviving. And effectively, my dad did survive the day, but then he went a little too long.
RGTI.
Now maybe he's making it back right now. He's taking it as kind of a practice day. So that could have been a win there.
ARB.
DATS is still in play. He could still make his money back, but he can't over freaking do it. When you've just broken through the apex point,
VRME.
that's where you got to be careful. Guess where he lost his money? After it broke through the apex point.
MVST.
BZ, he the last couple of days he has sized up. Because I went to his office and I basically said, it's time to move up.
MYNC.
And I kind of just said, you're gonna take some risk today.
VRME.
And he connected with DATS. He made $200 on DATS, and then $100 the next day. So far, he's given it all back today, and this is a great lesson for him to learn.
VRME.
He's learning a lot of lessons, but you know what? He's starting to understand the concept of in and out. Buy the dips and wait for it to reclaim. It's the foundation to 50-50. It's the foundation to the way I trade. Because I went in there and I basically forced him to buy the dips.
VRME.
So don't come out of your office until you either make $200 or you lose it.
DATS. 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 DATS.
He's using about 300 to 200 to 500 shares.
MSW.
XHG.
NRXP. MSW.
AAPD.
I think yes, ever so slightly. I think the chart on Thinkorswim is pretty good. I think the ladder overall is more accurate. Why? Because you can see the bid, the ask, and the market price all in one. Right? The ladder really
AAPD.
And I think this is why people who are learning trading and watch somebody who trades the ladder, they understand a lot more.
GLXG.
And I think that's part of the success that I'm having in teaching, not only because of the 50-50 strategy parameters
MSW.
being
GLXG.
simple, but also the price ladder. Okay, that's a side tangent, but they're pretty close.
GLXG.
That's a little bit.
Yeah,
Anybody
I
got
hope the
any
trading
there?
dad's catching
I did.
this.
GLXG.
$6 coming. Probably. Right.
GLXG.
Some buyers coming. Yeah. It goes 199. 608, 610.
JUNS.
We're almost to 200 likes. Guys.
GLXG.
Appreciate it.
Anybody else got in?
MSW.
That's halt up is 622.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I didn't get in. I got on the first one, but not the
I
second
was
one.
talking to myself.
Shoot.
GLXG.
Bet
Bugsy got in.
Nah, I think I'm done for the day. I only got like $1,000 left to do shit with, and I think I'm just chill.
Yeah, I
But
missed it.
you look like
I should have been on it at 570.
$7.
That was 40 cents. That could have been a big win. DATS is a darn
I'm watching
scallywag.
from a 3-minute chart.
BKYI.
There you go, John. That's a good trade because DATS had the breakthrough apex.
VMAR.
Rhythm. Volume is here, so I think 100%
DATS.
that's a good trade.
DATS.
Go check on the trading, Dad.
DATS. 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 DATS.
Okay.
DATS.
Trading Dad made back most of his loss. He's down only 130 from down 280, so he made
DATS.
150 bucks.
DATS.
But again, he was buying too much up here, and I told him quit buying at the highs. Wait for a pullback and get it off of maybe a 3-bar, 4-bar dip. But that's good. That's good. 200 likes. God bless. Woo.
MVIS. 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 Rig. CMPX. DATS. DATS.
Did Blair trade today? You know, I don't know. I don't know if Blair traded today.
RPTX.
Not a whole lot of P&Ls in the chat so far.
GLXG.
MSW.
Harrison, yeah, just reevaluate what you're doing. Reset. Refocus.
DATS.
Yep. Absolutely.
Mass.
QSI.
John boy.
XTIA.
Mass.
XTIA.
You know,
XTIA.
MSW.
XTIA.
Age of Empires 4, Call of Duty. I'm gonna say Call of Duty.
MSW.
Just 'cause Call of
MSW.
Duty is my game. Call of Duty is my game. I was playing it since my older brothers were playing COD 2 on the PC. Right? You would open up the COD 2 disc. It was like 5 discs.
EMBL.
And we would have, I think we had dial-up.
GLXG.
MSW.
We had the big,
MSW.
CRT monitor. We put the game
MSW.
The computer barely could play it.
MSW. Mass.
And we
REL.
played COD 2. Used the Car 98. You know, that's probably why I'm into all these guns. The M1 carbine, the M1 Grand, the K98. I got the Luger pistol.
Bear.
I plan now to get the Arasaka or Riska from Call of Duty World at War. It's the Japanese bolt-action rifle, World War II.
Mass.
DATS.
AMST.
DATS.
I just bought the Nambu
Cross.
Type 14 Japanese pistol. It looks real sick.
DATS.
You actually get them for quite cheap. I think about $1,000
DATS.
you get one. Ordered that yesterday. That should come in Saturday or Sunday. I'm collecting them all, dude, because they're just increasing in value every year. These World War II weapons just increase in value.
Hoth. Hollow. Hoth. XTIA.
AMST. NMTC.
XTIA. DATS. DATS.
Looks like I lost about $20 there. I tried to buy the false breakdown. Looks like it's starting to work a little bit.
DATS. DATS. VRME.
I think it's gonna go, but I'm getting chopped up here.
LAES. IONQ.
Nice.
Damn, DATS still.
Yeah, I don't want to hear it out of that scallywag.
MSW.
He
Watching
chose
it
to
just
take
couldn't
advantage of
push.
this channel.
NMTC.
It was a poor decision. You will have to say
VRME.
that, him and his buddies. Very unwise decision.
VRME.
So a little bit of a breakout here.
AMST.
The risk is a little high. I got to go check on the
MSW.
trading dad now.
VRME.
There's gonna be a couple
MSW.
More. It's a flush.
MSW.
DATS. ZVSA.
CGEN. MTEK.
DATS. XTIA.
DATS. DATS. NTWO.
DATS.
ARB. PYCR. AREB. 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 AREB.
Some 150,000 in Los Angeles under wildfire evacuation
IMTZ.
orders, another 166,800 under evacuation. warnings,
Trading
according
dad
to
has
the
failed
LA
us.
sheriff.
He has failed us. Tremendous failure. I'm kidding. He's actually got his loss down
DATS.
to $100. That's good. He's moving in the right direction. Technically, he could cut it here, and it would be an okay day. But
Satch.
he's down $100. So he was down 340. He was down $3,400. Technically, or not technically. Technically down 340 bucks, but I'm treating it as if he's using bigger size. Now he's down to only 1,000. So if you go from a $3,400 loss to a $1,000 loss, that's a good. That's a win. So I tried to make that clear to him that it's still a win that he got down to 1,000 loss. I want him to keep going on DATS because DATS is in play. This thing could still break out. He could still make money. There was a 2-bar pullback he could have been in on. He could have been in on it at 6. Up 30 cents a share. That could have been enough to go green. And he got the curl to 44. Will he have the balls to take it? I don't know. A little bit of a dip there. Could have bought that dip. I didn't. There will be a rejection at some point. That's the fear. This could be the rejection right there. So that was a tough one because it did technically break through the apex. We didn't see it on the ladder. This one here can screw a lot of people. That's tough. I hope he didn't get screwed on that.
TIXT.
So that's a tough one. Dude, I hope he probably got whooped on that. I'm guessing. I just know that's the kind of a break through apex that would whoop a lot of traders. I'm gonna go check on him real quick. Hit the like button. We're at 212. We got a new member. It's Friday. We got Brother Butta. We got Matt. We got Edison. We got Mighty Go. We got Anomaly. We had those other guys. They broke off and decided to do their own thing. But now we have you guys.
Silo.
So, Heaven with a D. Alchemist.
GLXG.
Thank you, Alchemist. Nice little post here. He just posted this.
DATS.
So heart that.
DATS.
Complete game changer. This is. I love hearing this. I love hearing this stuff. So. Appreciate you being here, Alchemist. Gosh darn. Appreciate it. Okay, let me go check on the stream, Dad.
DATS. AREB. AREB.
Silo.
REKR. REKR. DATS. DATS.
All right, I told the trading dad. I told him he's down red.
RPTX.
$130.
DATS.
I hope he's careful buying the dips here. I bet you he tried to buy a dip there, and I'm sure he's screwed. And
RPTX.
Hope he's careful here. I told him pretend you're at 0. Pretend you're at 0. This is a dangerous pattern.
TPET.
This is a dangerous one.
Coming up at 1 p.m., the Baker Hughes U.S. rig count.
I'm just a tid below AK.
AREB.
TPET.
I am teaching him how to trade, and he has just recently turned a corner. He's holding it together on DATS.
DRB.
So although he's red,
DATS.
it's clear he's got the main concepts down.
DATS.
And
SILO, more highs now.
Because there's no student I want to interview more
Lima
than
Oscar.
my own dad. How many traders can say they not only taught these people over here, which is somewhat cool,
DATS.
but you know, due to some of their scallywagness, it's kind of an awkward thing. But their own dad, we'll see. So a lot of pressure, no pressure, but there's a lot of pressure on his shoulders.
XTIA. XTIA.
USIO. USIO.
GLXG. AREB. GLXG.
If I was to guess,
TPET.
Silo. TPET.
If I was to guess,
TPET. TPET.
I'm assuming the trading dad's going to finish red.
TPET.
But the question is how red? The question is, will he stay smart?
TPET.
Because he's not that red right now. He's got a $1,300 loss trading kind of a tricky stock. There's a reason why, guys, there's a reason why I'm not jumping in and out of this thing. Because it is not that easy.
Silo.
So if I was to guess, and look, I'm not the best guesser. Yeah, I'm not the best guesser. Not the smartest guy in the room.
VMAR.
I think he's going to end red.
Zim.
He may not. We could get a
VMAR.
scallywag. We could get a scallywag rip on this. He could come green. Nonetheless, it's a great learning day for him.
VMAR.
So, frustrating, no doubt. The nice thing with DATS is, as far as buying the
VMAR.
dips, they do tend to come back really well. There's a potential for one of those false breakdowns here. It is extended. Okay, and the 5-minute chart is a little ugly, so it's not a huge. Yeah. See, I even tried to buy the dip. I lost $80 there. Shoot. Brick.
GLXG.
CLDI.
GLXG. GLXG.
Tough.
GLXG.
The trading baby interview. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to teach. Yep. Well, first I'm going to practice on the dog. I'll teach the dog.
MSW.
Then the cows. No, the video I need to do, and somebody will probably do this before me, but the video I need to do is day trading in a tractor. Like I'll have a hotspot, have my laptop. I'll be out doing something in the field, probably with auto steer, because we use a lot of auto steer. So all I got to do is turn the tractor on, set the auto steer, and hyper scalp in the tractor,
UVIX.
in the field.
NLSP.
I mean, what do I need to do?
GLXG.
Do I need to do 3 backflips and a somersault on top of a roof to entertain you guys? Are you not entertained?
AAPD.
In the words of Maximus,
VRME.
are you not entertained?
XTIA.
DATS like it's about to bounce up again.
Yep, I was about to say.